A key focus of the conference is a global study commissioned by UNICEF that highlights the urgent need for effective program designs for youth with disabilities. The study informs discussions on advocacy, education, legislation, and the barriers individuals face in achieving inclusion within their communities. According to the World Health Organization, around 1.3 billion people globally, or 16% of the population, live with disabilities. Many face significant barriers to healthcare and support services, emphasizing the urgency of the conference and the need for a united regional response to these challenges. Both Andrew Sharp, founder and CEO of ACF, and Patricia Padmore-Blackman from the Barbados Council for the Disabled emphasized the critical need for policymakers to become more actively involved in advocating for equal rights and improving the standard of living for persons living with disabilities.
Legislation, which is the Disability Act, is top on the agenda. And as the region, we have many Caribbean islands who have not implemented their Disability Act. So we're going to look at those who have and see how we can. And then the second one that we know that is short term that we're working on is disability learning.
My hope for the outcome is that our CARICOM leaders / governments would listen and they would really internally digest the information that would have been gleaned over the past days, and they would recognize that people living with disabilities have a right to better standards of living.
Emilio Belfon from the Victoria School for Special Education highlighted the conference as an enlightening experience, emphasizing the importance of collaborative dialogue in shaping policies that benefit individuals with disabilities.
Really helps me to understand and see how more can be done to assist these people in our communities. I also believe too that this information was necessary, because it really helps me to get a better understanding, and the sensitization as it's going to be taking place after this meeting is, I think, is going to do a very good job at helping to sensitize the public also with the situation of persons with disabilities and how to go about charting a path for them for the future.
As the conference continues, participants are optimistic about the potential for actionable outcomes that will enhance the lives of individuals with disabilities in Grenada and the rest of the region. For GBN News, I am Eugenia Peters.